How to reset the settings of your Visual Studio's code in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can reset the Visual Studio's code settings in your Windows 11. So the first thing that we need to do is open up our Visual Studio's code. So to open the Visual Studio's code, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and search for VS Code. Now you can see under the best match the Visual Studio Code application. So simply double click onto it and this will open the Visual Studio's Code application. Now in order to reset the settings of the Visual Studio Code, you need to click onto this settings gear icon, which is the manage icon on the bottom left corner. Once you will click onto this gear icon, you can see this option of settings, or alternatively you may also choose to press the control and comma shortcut key. So simply click onto the settings option, and under the settings you have two types of settings. The first one is the user settings and the another one is the workspace settings. So both of these settings are different. So in order to first reset the user settings, what you will be need to do is click onto this option right here. As here you can see this second icon which says open settings JSON. So simply click onto this JSON icon and it will open the settings.json file. Now in this file, as here you can see, between these two curly braces I have something written over here. So basically these are the changes that I have made in the settings, or what we will be needing to do is simply delete everything between these two curly braces. So if I will delete this, all I am left is with the default values of the settings. So that means it will automatically reset the settings once I will delete everything between these two curly braces, and then I am done with the deleting. Simply press the Ctrl and S keys to save it, and as you can see, just as I saved it, my theme has been successfully reverted to the default theme. Now, if you want to make the same changes for the workspace, simply repeat the steps by going to this gear icon again and then going to the settings again, and then from here choose workspace and then click onto this JSON file icon at the top right. And once you will click here, you can see that there is currently no changes present in this JSON file. So that means it is all cleared out and no changes are required for this current settings as they are already in their default state. So that's how easily you can revert or reset the settings of your Visual Studio's code in Windows 11. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.